Don't let it stop me.
Hey. Sige, labas ako ulit.
Mama yan. Mama. Ayan. Friends. Over here. Ay, kuya ko. Salamat, salamat.
Para matandaan natin ang memory.
Whoa! Hey guys! Whoa! So,
Press tayo ng number
what?
sa jersey.
So, we are waiting for our flight because
Pati umabot ka, kamusta yung taxi mo?
Uga!
Gagi. Malala.
Una, tumigil siya sa kalsada para bumili sa
Bangketa
bangketa.
ng pagkain.
Number 2, tinawid niya buong EDSA. Never siya
Nagkanood.
siya EDSA talaga.
Kami. Ano sabi mo? Sabi lang.
Ayun. Yun lang.
Talagang sensor.
Gusto ko ng
Yung may pinera mo kaya Ivan. Two. Saan yung two? Ito? Ito? Ah, opo.
Please respond to the cabin crew immediately. Legal actions. Policy.
You shall be naming cabin bags, guest reading or eating. Please switch.
All unclaimed meals or change. Please call the attention of any of your cabin crew.
Isa.
Tiffany Alvaro Takeover Part 2. Hi Kuya Net. This is Kuya Net's camera.
Hindi ka nakatulog?
I did, but I still feel sleepy.
So, gagawin namin train station and mag-Uber from Seoul Station. Ayan, yun na, punta na sa hotel. Lupot siya. Sir, nagpumag. Pumasa lahat.
A few moments later.
Mga lokal oh. Locals. Ay, tangina ba? Pinasturahan na.
그래요, 맞아요. 혼잡해요. 트래픽.
Oh, nice call.
Kami na ba to? Yeah,
Kamusta yung Spider-Man?
Ganda. Ganda pre.
Ay,
Anyway, andito na naman tayo sa...
tangin na vlogger.
Andito na tayo sa Korea!
May ano sa likod. May hater ka.
Basher.
Basher. Ayun naman kayo guys. Kulit na yung buhok nitong dalawang tayo. No? Kamukha eh. Saan ang mga upper room friends ko dyan?
Shout out.
Shout out.
Diba? Sabi niya.
Picture pa pala tayo.
Oo. Ano? Sa studio.
Doon na lang kayo. Para na Let's go guys! Let's go! Enjoy! 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 Smile! Smile! Smile tayo. Here we go!
Last studio full out. Yes. Oh my god. Wow.
Ano tayo? Kaninong pack to? Eh, kakulit din. Ah, ito, sorry.
Ciao, y'all. It's me, Charlie Darren. We're gonna eat though. Hi, what's up, gang? So we're currently looking for my glasses. It's kind of funny kasi the last time I was with Kuya Kenneth. Last time I was with Kuya Kenneth, aka Coach Kenneth. Hey guys. So, hey, you owe me $5. I don't. Close the door. Anyways, last time I was with this dude was when he flew to the US because he also had Mega Crew. And I had Lil Peeps, and he was my coach. And like, yeah. And then it was him and me like 2 years ago, and then it's us again, and I'm like so wow this like, just kidding.
So mean.
Okay, wait. We're gonna vlog our way back to the hotel.
Gonna walk na. Bye. See you.
Bye.
Shibuya Crossing. Sibuyas.
Sibuyas crossing.
Nakakaiyak sibuyas.
I think this is so tiring. Yeah, because we wake up before 8 a.m. because we cook breakfast.
Cook
Our
breakfast.
breakfast is
What's our breakfast?
Johnsonville sausage with a boiled egg. And
With a
then-
brown boiled egg.
Yeah. brown rice. And
Brown
then
boiled.
ate. And then we took a bought. And then
I was late.
and I'm not late.
I'm not late.
I'm not late. We're not late. Yeah, we're productive, but we're not.
We're productive at the same time.
We took a train and then we
Actually, that's our first
we
studio.
walk like a champion.
Dream like a champion.
Yes, twerk it, bakla.
So,
I think that's good. Go back to our hotel, then we have
outro. Yung kamay.
we have agenda to do.
Hindi to tulad ng ibang stages na sinewa natin, pero tinry natin i-simulate as much as possible yung sasayawan natin. So, malaki tiwala ko sa inyo, matured and very professional dancers na kayo at this point. So, ang mahalaga lang sa akin tulad ng sinabi ko kanina is enjoy nyo yun. Enjoy nyo yung moment na yun. Tomorrow, I expect you guys to be professionals sa time, sa ugali, and i-greet nyo yung ibang tao with a smile. And lahat ng ritual nyo, pangpapogi nyo, kung pula yung brief mo pag nagko-compete ka, ihanda mo na rin. Thank you for that, guys. Maraming salamat.
Kapatay boy.